Hi, this is Mike, co-founder of Vendo. In this short video, I would like to tell you why your buyers will love Vendo, or rather, why they will love your marketplace. But before we jump into why your buyers will love your marketplace, let's discuss what would be the right metric to measure your customers' love. Is it the bounce rate, the percentage of returning users captured in Google Analytics? Perhaps it's the percentage of users adding items to cart. Maybe it's a respectable conversion rate both on desktop and mobile. Some people like to measure a net promoter score after purchase. Some other people pay attention to newsletter subscriber growth or the social media following and engagement. But if we are talking about the ultimate metric to capture the customer's love, nothing beats repeat buying. So customers coming back to spend their hard-earned money. This metric, incidentally, aligns nicely with the ultimate metric of e-commerce success, customer lifetime value. And traditionally, three pillars of maximizing customer lifetime value are a weekly newsletter, marketing automation for abandoned carts, and maybe a subscription business. When thinking about customer lifetime value, you might have heard words like maximize, extract, and maybe even harvest. I find it a bit dehumanizing. So I think what Vendo does is puts the customer, the human, in the center of our focus. Let's start with product discovery. By onboarding tens of sellers and hundreds, if not hundreds of thousands of products, you are providing your buyers with a variety of products that they are looking for. You are giving them the choice. While automatically pulling all the product information from your sellers, Vendo will also automatically create product filters within your product listings, product search, and product category pages. So your users will be able to pinpoint exactly what they are looking for. Maybe a black dress, maybe a red pair of shoes, maybe like my 2-year-old daughter, she likes pink, maybe a pink overall. Vendo does all the magic behind the scenes, and it's available both in the built-in Vendo storefront and in the Vendo APIs consumed by your decoupled storefront should you choose to build one. Vendo allows you to sell both physical and digital products, or both in a single bundle. This multitude of products is at your buyer's fingertips, and they can add all of these products to a single order. So they can buy from multiple sellers in a single order with one payment. Speaking of orders and payments, Vendo comes with a streamlined checkout, removing friction from the buying process. Your buyers will be able to choose from a number of payment methods such as cards, wallets, Apple Pay, Google Pay, ACH payments, bank redirects, buy now, pay later. By the way, Vendo checkout is available in the Vendo built-in storefront, but also within your decoupled storefront using an API integration. Vendo lets you release new arrivals on a regular basis because, unlike with most e-commerce businesses, adding new brands or new product categories or new products is not a scalability issue. It takes only a few minutes, and there are no limitations or constraints when it comes to performance. And we all know that customers love new arrivals. Vendo also lets you create bundles, kits, sets, outfits, and with Vendo, partnerships come naturally. There are no constraints on how many brands and products you can put together, raising the average order value and the customer lifetime value. Incidentally, that also brings value to the buyer because researching products online takes time. Putting them together sometimes requires specialist knowledge. In some spaces, it's hard to imagine buying anything but bundles because who knows if these products go well together. So selling bundles not only advises your customers on what to buy, but also reduces the customer service burden. So in a sense, by making it easy to add new products or build product bundles, Vendo allows you to follow the evolution of your customers' needs. For example, children, they grow up, so on one hand you need to buy the same things in different sizes, but on the other hand they evolve, so you need to follow their evolution and their needs. If you like the great outdoors, your needs change, you want to go farther, you want to go bigger, and as your skills progress, you need new products. Whenever you buy a new piece of furniture or a device, you usually need some other things to go with it. A new TV deserves a new TV table, and you have to put those speakers somewhere. And maybe a couch or a lazy boy, or maybe a new table to put your drink on it. It never ends. And if you are a marketplace operator, of course, that's a good thing. You just need to follow the evolution of your customers' needs. So marketplaces are well known to create engaged audiences. Marketplaces are also connecting people for product reviews or advice or similar products purchased by people like you. So essentially, Vendo lets you keep your buyers and your customers happy as it stimulates loyalty by adding value and not automated emails in my inbox. By increasing customer retention by staying relevant in their lives and keeping up with their changing needs, not by locking them in a subscription without a visible cancel button. By upselling and cross-selling a variety of new products, new product categories, brand partnerships, bundles, kits, and so on, and not selling the same products over and over years after years. If you want to think about maximizing or extracting customer lifetime value, maybe you should first think about providing that value to the customer. It's easy to make your buyers love your marketplace when you've got Vendo on your side. Now, before I let you go, I just wanted to say a big thank you for your interest in Vendo services. On behalf of the entire super talented Vendo team led by my co-founder Damien, feel free to request a demo call or start a free trial and play with Vendo on your own. Thank you so much.